Hi folks, thanks for watching Chef Dato's Table. Welcome Chef Dato's Table. Today we have India. I love India. I was very tiny when, I remember when Indira Gandhi came in the country. I was tiny at the time. All the movies, all the songs, you know, about India. I just want to make naan bread very quick, folks. That was a very cultural similarities between my country's bread and naan bread. I love it. I love biryani. I love hakka curry paste. I love all their products. I'm not advertising them. I'm just saying that they are great. I think it's in some point the mystery in the United States that we have so many. So that's a naan bread right there, and I have a great biryani chicken with the biryani spices on it. Just like we have biryani beef, we're doing this biryani chicken. This is Chef Ken. Right now, he's setting up line.
Ken.
He doesn't want to talk at all. Look at him.
He'll talk. He'll talk.
But if he starts, he's never going to stop. So, Chef Ken, I'm blessed. I have a very good team, but Chef Ken adds so much to my life, my restaurant, my life. It's just insane sometimes what he can do. That man, whole team, but Chef, he's just like right hand, you know. I try to, you know, give him break a little bit. Hey Chef, go do gym, something, but he's just like me, workaholic. He doesn't want to do anything else. Now folks, if you focus right here, I'll show you real quick what happened. I was talking about you, Chef.
What's that, sir?
Nothing's bad though.
You sure? I'm gonna watch you taste and find out. It was.
Oh really?
Oh yeah.
Look at this. Oh my. Is that so cool? I had a couple cooking classes, made everything on a grill. So biggest thing was naan bread, to make it naan bread on a grill. I just love it. Much more healthier than anything else. Sauteing or keeping grease with it, or doing a pasta dish. But you cannot eliminate yourself. Just really nothing else. Now you need a variety, different items, different cultures. Vegetable. Today we have a lobster. I made Indian ratatouille, which is, to be honest with you, it's just eggplant and mushrooms and zucchini stew. Little hollow garden. So her name is Diana, and she brings lots of good stuff for us. She works very hard, and everything's just beautiful and tasty. Look at that. How you like it? Chicken needs a couple more minutes. It just changes a little bit color, but that's okay. We put in creamy ajita underneath, right here. And I think she's bringing my ajika. We start promoting ajika. Hey, pretty soon, folks, we're gonna be in a Whole Foods with ajika sauce. That's a good news. We start working on dining room to get that echo sound out. That's a good news too. You know, folks, I just opened the restaurant. I just wanted to open it and give people good food. That was #1 priority in my life. I started. I'm gonna start building it. I'm gonna remodel. Of course, we're gonna put more and more in it. But please, when you come, just tell us your opinion. How can we change? How can we do something? Just criticism doesn't make any difference, because, well, if you don't tell me how can I change it, No, I didn't increase as much as you want it. But if you give me a little suggestion, hey chef, I would recommend this. Can you do this? Can you do that? I would love to do it. So that's me. There you go, salsa. And voila, Nick. You have a lovely lunch. Thank you for watching Chef Dato's Table. See you next week, folks.